Do you translate English inside your head first? For example, you think in your language and then try to change it into English. That is slowing you down. This is why speaking feels stressful, because your brain is doing double work. Think, translate, then speak. Fluent speakers do not translate. They think directly in English, and you can learn this too. Start with very small thoughts. For example, I'm tired, I'm hungry, this food is good. Simple thoughts. Now, look around your room and say things in English: chair, phone, window, bag. This trains your brain naturally. Don't worry about grammar too much. Your goal right now is thinking in English, not perfection. Here's a powerful trick. Talk to yourself in English while cooking, while walking, while cleaning. Even small practice helps. For example, I'm making tea now. I need to answer this message. I should sleep early tonight. This is real English practice. At first, your brain will feel slow. That's normal. Every fluent speaker started like this. But slowly, your brain becomes faster, and one day, English thoughts will come naturally. Now, repeat after me slowly. I can think in English. I don't need to translate everything. I improve every single day. Remember, fluency is not magic. It is daily practice. Small steps, every day. So, from today, stop translating every sentence. Start thinking directly in English, and your confidence will grow faster than ever. Comment below. Do you still translate in your head? Yes or no? Subscribe for more easy English speaking videos every week.